Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. In this video, we'll see how we can use the selfie Bluetooth enabled stick with your phone. So I'll give you a short demonstration on how you can use this. So this is the Tygot selfie come tripod I use. Not more of a tripod, but it is basically a selfie stick. But we can use this in some cases as the tripod also, but I won't say this much as a tripod. It is basically a selfie stick. So this is the Bluetooth enabled. So how you can connect this Bluetooth with this and take a selfie or a picture. Okay, first of all, before placing this mobile into this holder, I'll try to connect this Bluetooth. To connect the Bluetooth, just press and hold on this button here. There is a shutter sort of button here. Yeah, see this shutter sort of button, you need to press and hold on this. A blue light will blink. See here, this is now Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Just enable the Bluetooth, turn disable. If it is disabled, you need to just enable this, press and hold, so that you will get this searching. It will search for the paired devices or the available devices. Once you get this selfie cam or something like that, press and connect it. See here, it is connected now. So this has been connected. We'll test it once. We'll test it. What we'll do is we'll open the camera. We'll open the camera on your mobile and just try to, okay, so what I'll do is I'll just press this here. Okay, just tap on this. It has taken the picture now. See, so I'll attach this stick, this mobile to this stick, and I'll test it. Okay, see here, I have just placed my mobile over there, and now the Bluetooth is enabled. I'll press the shutter button. See, when I'm pressing this button, it is taking the pictures. Yeah. So this is how you can use Bluetooth enabled selfie stick or selfie stick come tripod on this device. So I'll drop the link in the description if anyone want to check about this product. This is from the Amazon. I bought it for 329 rupees. When I purchased this I got for 329 rupees. If you want to check the details, you can check the details in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.